How's it going? You've seen that muscle up. That's right, today I'm going to show you how to do a muscle up. Also, I'm going to show you my secrets on how I achieve that muscle up as well. But I wasn't always there. So before, I didn't even know what a muscle up was. Back in high school, all my friends would be like, hey Kara, can you do a muscle up? Hey, can you do a muscle up? Can you do a muscle up? And I'm like, what's a muscle up? So no one could actually do a muscle up back in high school. So you've seen all these people just trying to climb up the pull-up bars and like, is that what muscle up is? Damn, I don't want to do that. I don't want bruises on my arms. So no one could actually do a proper muscle up. So I didn't really find it cool. But then when I saw Jason Chen, you know, Music Never Sleeps, he does his muscle up and I'm like, wow, that's pretty cool. I want to do that. So I put myself on a journey to do a muscle up, a 100-day challenge. It was quite a journey, but I got it. And these are the exercises that really helped me how to progress that muscle up. So this is all assuming that you can already do a pull-up. So on how to do a pull-up, that's a story for a different time. So right now I'll let you know my secrets on how I got to that muscle up. So the first exercise is the hang knee raises, because that will work on some core and also help with the swing as well. We'll work on that swing movement and also strengthen your core with this exercise. And when you're ready, you can slowly add the swing into it and you'll build that momentum. You'll get used to that motion. So second exercise, we're gonna go into ab rollers, because that really helps strengthen your core. As for me, as I started doing the ab rollers again, because I really neglected it, it wasn't really strengthening the stabilizer muscles. So as I started implementing that in my workout again, my core significantly got stronger and it helped with my swing motion too. So I was able to use that momentum and swing up to the pull-up bar. So that is my second secret, ab rolling. It's really good. And the third one, and I find this the best, this one is the jumping muscle up. I know you're not really jumping to a muscle up. What I did was use the Smith machine and then you go up and up as you get more comfortable. So one level up every time. So this exercise really helps with the swinging and the pull-up and also the dip motion. So every time you get more comfortable, you want to make it more challenging. So you're gonna move one level higher and higher and higher, and soon enough, you'll be at the pull-up bar level. That's the number one thing that really helped me. And then when you're ready, you can put it all together and get into that muscle up. So I hope these exercises help you, because they really help me. Let me know in the comments what you think about these exercises. If you can already do a muscle up, let me know how you achieved your muscle up as well. My name's Kara, I'm a trainer. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram with the link below. And don't forget to look at my original muscle up video over here. And I'll see you in the next video.